Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Friday. It's Friday. It's the end of the week, of course. So today we're doing a full weather forecast just because I didn't do on Tuesday or Thursday. Sorry there was no uploads yesterday. I literally had I had two quizzes today and one test, and I had a lot of stuff I was doing for Spanish, but it was a complete waste of time because it never worked out. Yes, so sorry about that. Please consider subscribing. Remember, we have that shout out at 200 subscribers, and we hit that by Halloween. But yeah, right now we have Major Hurricane Dorian. This is a very bad hurricane right now in the Atlantic. My pen is still messed up, so I apologize about that. I'll switch colors here. Alright, but yeah, just look at those cold cloud tops circling around it. Let's pause on the last frame so we can actually look at it. So this was the last frame. You can see a well-defined eye right there. This is the infrared. We can also see this. What the heck is wrong with this pen? This side of the storm is a lot worse. My pen is a piece of crap, I think. You can see this side's a lot worse. The eye's right there. And now my pen is doing something very odd. Oh my god. We're just going to use this pen today. I'm tired of the pens not working. Alright, but we can see it right there. This is Major Hurricane Dorian. You can see the Bahamas, some of the Bahamas over here. This is really slowly moving this direction. The eye is definitely good, but the cold cloud tops are mostly in this area. Sorry if you guys can't see that too well. Yeah, if we play this out here, you can see it's not moving that much. It's moving very slow, frame after frame. And so when this does make landfall, there's definitely going to be a lot of impacts because of how slow it's moving. But this is the cone. Now the cone has changed quite a lot since I filmed. It's gone a lot further to the east. We can see now it's supposed to be a major hurricane until it makes landfall, potentially. And now we're reading into account that this could be kind of a Matthew situation and may not even make landfall. It may go out here, but it could still make landfall. The whole state of Florida is in the cone and Panhandle. But you can see this thing's going to be a major hurricane. This will definitely be bringing impacts to the area. This is a bigger hurricane now, too, than it was last video. And I will be right back. Someone is calling me. Alright, I'm sorry. That was Aaron Drew. I can't answer it right now because I'm going to lose all my recording. But yeah, you can see the reds are hurricane warnings. And the pinks are hurricane watches. You can see major hurricane all throughout today, but it's moving very slow, so be right back, real quick. Alright, y'all, sorry about that. My phone is dead now. I had 2% and it just died, so I did answer his call, but my phone died, which is depressing, but I guess I'll continue this video. But you can see now, this thing has maximum sustained winds of 125 miles per hour. I didn't even notice that last time. So this is a major hurricane, of course. 115, it was a major hurricane. This thing has strengthened a lot since midnight, but yeah, it's bigger, like I was already saying. The wind speed probabilities, okay? Let's take a look at that. You can see, like, right here we have the purples, but it's also moving this direction. But if you're not in this right now, that doesn't mean you're not going to get it. This means it's not because Wednesday, September 4th at 2 p.m. is when this goes to. You can see, like, I am in the 10 to 20% range, probably closer to 20. I'm like kind of close to the edge. So if I get anything, I will definitely let y'all know. But I'm not sure right now if I'm going to get anything. We don't know if it's going to go through Georgia. Definitely see that wide swath of purple in there. Arrival time of winds here. Let's take a look at that. Most likely I like a little bit better. Yeah, you can see how this is going like that. Okay, so overlay the wind speed probabilities. It looks like that. Let's take a look at the U.S. rainfall potential also. We can see that no rain for the really inland areas, but the whole state of Florida will likely get some rain from the system, or maybe not from the system. But definitely a lot of flooding is going to be happening with Dorian. And see, this is the model track guidance. Most of the models take it right on coast, or right off the coast. Some of them take it looping around, some of them take it this way, but then they dive, and some of them take it back out into the Atlantic. We'll have to see about that. I'd preferably like it to go like that into Georgia, but it's not looking like it's going to do that right now. And after Dorian, which is right here, we do have another area to worry about out here in the Atlantic. Not really worry, but we just got to keep an eye on it. I'll keep an eye on it. If anything does happen, we'll be looking at it in tomorrow's video. We can see this area right there is going to be moving in this direction, sort of more towards Dorian too. And we'll have to see about it though, because it may not form. It only has a 40% chance of forming in the next 5 days. This is a wave off of Africa. Keep an eye. Nothing going on in that. Well, there it is. In the Eastern Pacific, we got a little bit of a invest right here. 50% in the next 5 days and 10% in the next 2 days. In the Central Pacific, no activity currently. And now of course I have a monitor, so we're gonna bring over the this over here. This over here. Okay, so this is the surface analysis by the Storm Prediction Center. We can see kind of definitely messy to look at. We can definitely see a stationary front going all the way down, a giant cold front was sweeping across the northeast of that low pressure system. That's way up there in Canada. Yeah, now you can see across the south, pretty calm. We got some showers and storms across the Florida area from the stationary front, but we can't even see Dorian yet. It is out there somewhere and is going to be moving in this direction. I don't like this pin because that pin lags. This pin doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why. But let's take a look at the front, so we're going to see kind of how this advances. We can see Sunday, there comes Hurricane Dorian right there, Monday. And there we go, that's Hurricane Dorian. Tuesday, right there, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday it sort of rides the coastal regions. And yes, so now we're going to take a look at another thing real quick. On this over. Okay, it's moving very slow. Wait a second, my mouse. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we can see currently today we have a few areas of marginal. We have one right there in Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, and northern Kentucky. We have this one out here in the high plains for some development. And we have one right there in southern Arizona. So we can definitely see this. But definitely not active conditions compared to what we had yesterday. I'm pretty sure we had the enhanced risk. I'm not 100% sure, but you can see not much tornado risk a little bit. There was a tornado warning by St. Louis earlier, and then a little bit of wind and hail threats. For tomorrow, it's looking like pretty calm conditions. We got general thunderstorms all the way across the U.S. going into Pennsylvania, down through Texas, and into Florida. There's general thunderstorms. I'm sure there will be a marginal risk somewhere. There always is every day, but we'll have to see. For day 3, this is for Sunday, just general thunderstorms once again, and there is no day 4 to 8 outlook, so we're not even going to look at that. But right now, I'm going to go over to my load pivotal weather on my finger here, and so we can look at our a little bit of a midterm outlook and see what's going to be happening. I do want to show y'all the potential for a little winter storm, maybe up in, or maybe some snow up in Quebec, those regions, if I get this pulled up. Pivotal weather. Yeah, that's why I'm using my monitor, just so you guys don't have to look at that. I'm sure you guys don't want to see a loading thing, but it's kind of hard. Yeah, tropical tidbits is good for looking at oceans. I like pivotal weather for like looking on land. Pivotal weather doesn't have much tropical areas out in the Atlantic, but tropical tidbits does. Pivotal weather I think is better for severe weather and a lot like snowstorms and a lot more other things. Tropical tidbits just does not have the kind of layers that I'm looking for, or that like you need for severe weather. You don't have like the STPs. super composite values. They don't have like 500 millibar winds and all those that Pivotal Weather has. Pivotal Weather has a lot of stuff, especially for the GFS model. That's something I use for midterm outlooks a lot. But let's see if this is even predicting the snow anymore. It was last night. It was quite predicted here. Alright, so let's bring this over to the screen. Alright, here we go. So this is Pivotal Weather. Alright, so let's go down. We can see this is Canada right there, Quebec. You can see that's May down there, just to give you an idea. We can see maybe some snow showers already as we go through Sunday, especially some, what the heck? Especially some up there in this region. I'm blocking that now. Okay, there we go. We'll have to do it like that. You can see some up there, maybe some actually decent accumulations. Let's play this out through Sunday afternoon. We can see that snow lingers, but then we have this little system, this little low pressure system. You can see a cold front right there, and maybe even a warm front over there. Just by looking at the GFS file, I don't know why there is a quit thing in my screen, but we're just gonna ignore it. We can see some snow on the back side of that and the wraparound moisture. But then we do have this is the storm I was looking at here last night. It's at 9:90. You can see this is Wednesday morning. Quit thing's annoying, but we can see cold front right there, a little bit of a warm front, kind of like that. But definitely, we can already see some snow showers mixed in. But as we go later on the wraparound side of the moisture, as we go to Wednesday later in the afternoon, towards the evening hours, we can see a little patch of heavy snow right there. They have snow right there in Quebec. Play this out further, and we can see the heavy snow really lingering back here, and even some heavy snow back here. But remember, the GFS model does kind of overshoot things sometimes. But we can take a look at the winter weather. Let's take a look at the Kachera snowfall ratio. Take a look at accumulations real quick. See if anything is expected. It's probably going to overshoot this too. But so we can see from our little winter storm, mini winter storm we may have up there, probably anywhere between nothing too significant, maybe 3 to 5 inches, maybe a little bit more. Some of the colder areas on the back side of the storm, but mostly 3 to 5 inches. But okay, well, that'll wrap up tonight's forecast. Hope you have a good rest of your Friday night, and I'll be posting tomorrow. Peace out.